2007 G5? 2007 G5 by Pontiac, 2.2 liter 4-cylinder. What we got done on it for you guys, there's a catalytic converter. Then we put a vibrant instead of the mid resonator, vibrant bottle muffler. I think it's part number 1792. We'll have a link in the description for it for you guys. Then it's 1 3/4 pipe all the way back. Then we did a rear muffler delete also, right there, into a 3-inch black tip, resonated. Let's give it that deeper tone. There's the muffler and resonator we cut off right there, and we replaced it with these beautiful parts. And like always, guys, please subscribe, like, and comment. It always helps us, keeps the numbers up, and keeps us making more videos for you guys. There it is. There's the vibrant and the tip. And there'll be a link in the description for everything. Hope you guys like it. Perfect. Oh yeah. That vibrant, man, they give it a different sound. Oh, that's perfect. Give it a right at 104 on the sound decibels. Go ahead and back it out. There's the muffler resonator we cut off. Scott Muffler, can you hold please? I got it. Scott Muffler, can you hold please? That sounds really good. Yes, sir. Just 1 second. Let you guys hear on the inside. Tell us what you think.